Do you actually need to see a chiropractor after a car accident? Well, let me tell you, if you're experiencing any pain or stiffness, headache, joint restriction, or limited motion with pain, then the answer is yes. You should at least get evaluated. The amazing thing is chiropractic helps to restore motion back into the joints, help the soft tissues to heal at a faster rate by reducing the inflammation in the body and allowing the nervous system to start functioning and allow the proper healing to occur. So if you have been in a car accident, we specialize in car accident care to make sure that your body gets back to what we call as a pre-accident status and the life that you lived before this car accident. It's not your fault that you're in this car accident, but we want to make sure that you get the best results possible. If you do need help, give us a call. Our number is 720-747-5333. We are located in Aurora, Colorado, and we would love to be able to help you out in this situation. Thank you and have a wonderful day.